Assalamualaikum, we are from group 29, Maritime Safety. This is my team member, Bachelor of Maritime Management. First is Muhammad Hanif bin Zulkifli, matric number S62777. Second is Farhana Shakila binti Mahadi, matric number S62800. And the third one is Nora Mirah Usna binti Zaina, matric number S61845. The last one is Nur Amirah binti Muhammad Sofi, matric number S62121.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Amirah binti Sofi. As the ship surveyor, I understand the importance of safety when conducting ship inspection. That's why I have created this set of personal protective equipment. This item will help protect us from sea, slip, fall, impact, and chemical when I work on the ship. The first is safety boots to protect against those of other specific hazards, identify the risk assessment, manufacturing to various standards appropriate to the particular danger. The second equipment is reflection vest. The purpose of safety vest is to allow the wearer to be seen and to alert all the personnel in person, especially in a low visibility situation. The third is hard head. This designed to protect the head against falling object and the side of the head, eyes, and neck from any impact, bump, crack, scratch, and electrical exposure. Number 4 is safety goggle, a personal item and should be issued of exclusive used by a particular individual. Therefore, a protective seal around the eyes and prevent object or liquid from into, under, or around the goggle. Number 5 is life jacket. They will automatically turn you into a face position, keeping your mouth and nostril clear of the water to prevent the risk of drowning. The last equipment is immersion suit, a special waterproof dry suit that protects the wearer from hypothermia in the cold water after aboarding a sinking ship, especially in the ocean. It's an important life-saving equipment in the open sea. It can significantly improve survival time in cold water. That's all from me.
Before entering a confined space on a ship, it is crucial to follow a specific procedure to ensure safety. This includes conducting a risk assessment, securing the space, ensuring proper ventilation, and posting a no entry sign. By following these guidelines and safety procedures, we can successfully conduct a ship inspection while minimizing the risk associated with confined space and others potential hazards. There are several procedures for entering a confined space. First one is risk assessment. Risk assessment, a competent person should undertake a risk assessment and an authorized officer to take charge of the operation. The hazard also present in the confined space, such as toxic gas, lack of oxygen, preparation and securing the space for entry. The space should be prepared and secure for entry. When opening the entrance to a potentially dangerous space, precautions should be taken in case pressurized or unpressurized vapor or gases are released from it. The space should be isolated from any potential sources of hazardous substances of energy. Training, instruction, and information. This training should provide any necessary to seafarers in order to ensure that the requirements are complied with. Training include activities likely to lead the presence of a dangerous atmosphere, the hazard associated with entry into dangerous space, and the precaution to be taken, and instruction and drills in rescue from dangerous space. The next procedure is testing atmosphere space. From January 2016, ships are required to carry atmosphere testing equipment. This must be capable of measuring concentration of oxygen, flammable gases or vapors, and carbon monoxide. The last one is permit to work. Entry into a dangerous space should be planned in advance, and use should be made of a permit to work system. An entering person wear appropriate PPE, including respirators if necessary, and enter the space in a controlled manner, maintaining continuous communication with bystanders.
I want to emphasize the critical importance on safety when it comes to the confidence-based entry. As we divide into the potential hazardous environment, it's important that we equip ourselves with the necessary tools and have to identify action plan in the case of emergency. First and foremost, every confidence-based entry team should be equipped with the confidence-based entry set. CSES. This set includes essential gear to ensure your safety during entry. Additionally, self-contained briefing apparatus CSCBA is indispensable, providing you with the respiratory protection needed in the environment where the air quality may be compromised. A gas monitor is another important tool. This device serves as our sentinel, continuous monitoring the atmosphere for any sign for dangerous gas. Ensure we are alert in advance. To facilitate of safe entry and exit, a study report is crucial. This provides a stable entry point to our operation. Equity listening is also important. This ESE ensure feasible and often deeply lit confined space, reduce the risk of accident. Communications devices are the lifeline for the connect our team. Clear and efficient communication is our non-negligible when navigation confidence space. It ensures that everyone in informed and can act properly in case of unforeseen situation. Now let's turn our attention to the action plan in case of an emergency. Should an alarm be sound, our immediately response is to alert others. Sound the general alarm and be prepared for our organized entry to address the situation properly. However, in the event of an emergency, it's crucial to remember not to attend the recuse if the space remains dangerous. Instead, call for the assistant and wait for the trainer personnel to respond. Your safety and the safety of your team depend on and related to this principle. In conclusion, when it comes to confident space entry, preparation is our strength and communication is our sword. Let us commit to equipping ourselves with the necessary tool and following a well thought out action plan. Ensure that each entry is not only successfully but more importantly safe for all involved.
The necessary action that I should take when I see my friend lying unconscious on the tank floor. First, I should call for help and notify my team member about the situation. And then I will identify the cause why the team member is unconscious. This could be due to a variety of factors such as toxic fumes, lack of oxygen, physical injury, or other medical condition. Also, the potential hazard in the cargo tank. After that, I will secure the area like take measure to prevent any further harm. This may involve insulating the cargo tank, shutting down equipment, and I will ensure that no further accident occur. After that, I will administer first aid to the unconscious team member until professional help arrive. For example, check the unconscious team member vital signs such as breathing, pulse, and responsiveness, or perform basic life support like CPR. Last one is I will work with my team member to coordinate rescue effort and ensure that safety of everyone involved based on their skill and training, such as calling emergency service, fetching medical equipment, or assisting in the evacuation.